And NORAD is not just for the little ones. I'm actively checking to make sure this is
Same
really
here.
locked in. This is normally your kind of expertise, right?
We've been busy with the snow, so I'm glad that you guys are keeping an eye on where Santa is.
Yes, of course. Bringing it back down, though, to Earth, this is a lot of snow, more so than I was kind of expecting, but...
Yeah, I mean, it's the way it is. It just dumped and dumped on certain towns last night. But this is a scenic view over Congress Square in Portland. 22 degrees in Portland right now. Nice to see the lights on the trees. Very festive out there tonight. You know, I always love after a snowstorm, if you've got like Christmas lights in your yard. Obviously some of the inflatables may be struggling tonight, but the Christmas lights on like the shrubs and stuff just look really festive and scenic. So good photo taking opportunities out there tonight of the wintry landscape. 13 right now in Bangor, 16 in Bar Harbor. We're at 22 in Portland and 29 in Portsmouth. Those snow showers that took all afternoon, it felt like, to dissolve are now gone. But there's a cold front up here to the northwest. Importantly, it's going to be cold behind this front on Friday, but ahead of it, we'll have a few snow showers that move through tomorrow morning, and there may be enough to coat the ground in some spots. So that's something to be aware of if you got to be out first thing. Otherwise, no problems for Santa tonight. Rudolph will come in handy, though, with some of the snow showers approaching from the northwest. By 4 o'clock in the morning, scattered snow showers in the mountains and up north, and there probably will be some festive light snow over down east and parts of central Maine that can coat the ground and perhaps drop even an inch or two over down east Maine. The rest of us just get a few flakes. Temperatures top off for their highs around noon. And then after that, the cold front will have gone by, so the temperatures will begin dropping. And tomorrow night is going to be quite cold. It's going to come with a gusty wind too. By the end of the day tomorrow, we'll have some wind gusts up around 25 miles per hour, which means the wind chill Christmas night, single digits, even below zero up north. And by Friday morning, that wind chill will be well below zero for most of us and as cold as 20 below in some cases in the mountains and up north. So if you're thinking of heading out and enjoying the snow that's out there, just know Friday is going to be a frigid day. Actual air temperatures get to between about 15 and 20 in central and southern Maine, around 10 up north. It does come with lots of sunshine. You'll just have to dress for the wind, which should ease a little bit in the afternoon, but still it's going to be frigid feeling on your Friday. Still cold on Saturday, and we actually miss a stripe of snow that goes down to our south. That's likely to bring some snow to New York City, accumulating snow perhaps on Saturday. For us, though, we remain dry, and actually Sunday looks dry too. High pressure is in place. That should keep us dry until late Sunday night. Key to the forecast, though, this high drifts offshore, and we don't have one up here to supply cold air for Monday ahead of the next storm. So this is our next system arriving late Sunday night into Monday, and it looks to be a mixed bag. Snow, a mix, probably even some rain near the coastline. Those details will come into focus as we get closer to it. It may be cold enough for more ice in spots. I don't see it being pure snow, but we'll watch it. Seas tomorrow, 4 to 6 feet. That wind kicks up after the cold front goes by. After tomorrow, it's frigid for a couple of days. Teens to around 20 Friday and Saturday. Sunday looks dry. We'll start with sunshine, some afternoon clouds, and then we've got to watch Monday. It looks like a mix of snow, perhaps sleet, freezing rain, and plain rain closer to the coast where temps get above freezing. And then right now we've got New Year's Eve quiet. Could be a few flurries around midnight if some of the models for next Wednesday are to be believed. But we got a week.
We have some time to prepare.
We do.
Mentally, physically, with the clothes.
On to a
all
new
of it.
year, whether we want it or not, a week from tomorrow.
It's creeping in.
Yeah.
Thank you.